Okay, class, we continue. Get ready, all of you. Okay, I think yesterday, right? Yesterday I sent, is it yesterday? Wait, now let me check. I sent the answer for y'all for the work that I asked y'all to try. So any question to ask? I hope you have done your work. Now what I mentioned always, you're Form 5, we are not Standard 5. Works that given, please try to do. So practice 2.2, the work that I asked y'all to try on 7th of March, question 12, 14, and 15 that I sent to y'all on Wednesday. Not yesterday, Wednesday. So I hope you have done the work. And if you need help for which questions that you couldn't get the answer that sent? You need help one, then so I'll explain here. I'll explain. If you need help for any questions, let me know, class. Make sure you have tried, okay? Like what I mentioned, right, for you, okay, because starting from this year, your SPM is near already, right? It means back to the normal before the MCO. So you must work hard because I have to go a bit fast so that I got time to do revision with you, So any question to ask us? If not, we continue question 21. Any questions? Okay, so we go back to 2.2, question 21. Get ready there, Okay, let me see question 21. Yeah, previously the questions is asked you to find the dsdt, dy dx, when x or when the unknown is given. But now you're asked to find back the x. Okay, you see like question 19, you are given the x to find dy dx. But 21, you are given dy dx. You are given dy dx, the value of dy dx to find back the x. Okay, so see how I do, class? Okay, look at question 21. So you are given fx. So remember this, A per B method. A per B method. That's why always I'm not going to ask you to do all the questions here. Okay, if I ask you to do all the questions here, I've got no time to finish to do revision with you. So this, how you do? Remember I said copy bottom to get first part, to get the first derivative, copy bottom, differentiate top, minus copy top, differentiate bottom. Okay, differentiate bottom, that is 2, and you square the bottom. Square the bottom. Okay, remember that I said that you just need to simplify the numerator. Simplify the numerator. Okay, so class, this one I'll solve for you. 4x, 2x and 2x, 4x squared. 2x and 1, 2x, 2x squared. See here, minus 2x squared. 4x squared minus 2x squared. So we got 2x squared plus 2x per 2x plus 1 squared. Okay, so class, now you see, given. You are given the first derivative that is 0. So means find x. Remember always I say if you are asked to find x, means find object. You copy the behind one. So remember, salin yang belakang. Always I use the same thing, right? Yeah, so we copy the behind one. This one, okay, 2x squared plus 2x. 2x plus 1 squared, that is 0. Okay, so I shift this up. 0, right? This one, 0 times anything will be 0. So left, 2x squared plus 2x, that is 0. Okay, so this one we can simplify. We can simplify means left, or I factorize. Actually, you can divide 2, or I just factorize. So I got x plus 1 factorized. So here you tell that x is 0 and x is -1. Got it? Because you see the question there, find the values. See the word values of x? Values of x means more than one answer. Okay, got it, class? Okay, write down. Ask before I delete if any that you can't understand, yeah? And then for you that try online, please just type to show me whether you have done. No need for me to keep waiting for you. Once you're done, just type done, okay, or D. Then I will know I'll continue, okay? No need for me to keep asking, chat with you all, type ask you, done or not, like that one by one, wasting time, huh? Yes, good. If you have done, you type done. If it's still, you type still, then I can see from there, so I will wait for you, yeah? But for you that type still, if you have done also, you let me know, yeah, so that I can keep going, yeah. Okay, the rest also done, yeah. Okay, now let me continue. Question 22. Okay, see what is the difference 22? That x and t. You're asked to find dx dt. After that, you are given dy dt and asked to find dy dx. That means what? What is the relation? Okay, listen to me again. Actually, it's not hard. So you see, first part. If you are given x in terms of t, means you can differentiate dx dt. Okay, listen there. 2, 5, 10 minus 2. Just a normal differentiation, okay? And then you look at b. You're asked to find dy dx. Normally, dy dx. To find dy dx, you must give y in terms of x. But there is no y in terms of x. If you are given y in terms of x, we got dy dx. But here, you're asked to find in terms of t. Okay, so means what? Now we see the relation, class. Listen, yeah? Listen carefully. You're asked to find dy dx. But we don't have y in terms of x. So what is the relation? Okay, so I see from here, class. From what I know, dy dx. Yeah, I can separate it like this. Why? To see the relation. Okay, class, you see the relation here? Given what? Given dy dt. Can you see that? Given dy dt. So if given dy dt, the dt here, that's what I can do is, I show you this one, because you want to get dy dx. So I separate like that. Hey, sorry, dy dx, yeah? Okay, I make it like this first, again, I want to get dy dx, right? Dy dx, right? See? So I try to find the relation where these must be the same. If these are the same, I can simplify it to get dy dx. Okay, can you see given here dy dt? Dt given. So if here dt, here also must have dt. So that I can simplify it to get back dy dx. Okay, so now back to normal. What I can see, to get dy dx, I need dy dt times dt dx. What is dy dt? They're given 40 plus 1. What about dt dx? There you see dx dt, dx dt. But you need dt dx. So I make it reciprocal. See, reciprocate. So after I reciprocated it, then I multiplied it. And I found out that cannot be simplified anymore. Okay, you can't cut the 4 and 10 to here, no, because you got two terms. You got two terms, right? Unless you can factorize like this, you can factorize, take out the 2, but this one you can't factorize. So no point to factorize it because one can, one can't. And to simplify like this, you must have exactly the same, right? Exactly the same means if I want to simplify it, for example, down there, I have exactly the same like that, only I can simplify it. But here can't, right? So here can't means, okay, I have done my dy dx in terms of t. Can you see? dy dx in terms of t. Okay, got it, class? Can follow? Yes, okay. Yes, okay, good. Can you understand all of you? The rest of you? Yes, okay. So same thing, write down first. So after written down question 22, you can try question 23. A bit different with 22, but the concept are the same. Means that here you do dy dp, dy dp. Here you do dp dx, dp dx. Get this relation to get it dy dx. Okay, finish written down 22, then keep trying question 23. Use the same method, yeah? Done, yeah? Okay, 22 done, yeah? So is it okay for me to scroll to, I need some space? Yes, okay, so I scroll up, yeah? Finish, yeah? Any of you still? Last? Listen, keep trying 23. I give you some guideline here, yeah? Class, take note. This is not UV method, not UV method. Okay, I make use of this to tell you that if UV method is like that, the number, you must have P, then followed by P like that. This one only we say UV method. If UV method, you remember copy left, differentiate right, plus copy right, differentiate left. But here got no P, can you see that? So here got no P, you follow the 4 steps one. What are the 4 steps? Let me explain to you this. Bring down the power to 4. Copy the bracket. Power minus 1. Differentiate the bracket. Remember the 4 steps? Okay. Can remember the 4 steps, yeah? Yeah, okay, like class. 4 and 2p, 8p. P squared plus 2. Okay, so what you need to continue to do is P is 2x plus 1. So here you do dp dx. Now once you have done how to make it dy dx, class, see how I do, yeah? You do like question 22 just now. See how I separate it? To get dy dx, I said that these two must be the same, right? So you refer here. Then the dp that hints you. See, the dp, dy dp, dp dx. Because when I simplify this, it will be dy dx, right? So you copy the dy dp here. Then you copy the dp dx that you get from here. Okay, then what do you get? Yes, it's 2, yeah, right? 2, right? Okay, then you just times 2. Okay. So you times 2, okay, see, 2, 8, 16. 16p, p squared plus 2. Done or not done, class? Read the question carefully. If I ask you to find dy dx in terms of p, means done. But look at the questions. Look at the questions. What I want here is dy dx in terms of x, not in terms of p. See or not? If in terms of p, okay, until here done. Now the problem is, it's not in terms of p. So next step to do is to make it in terms of x. Okay? You see the p here? You substitute p that equal to 2x plus 1. After that, you simplify it, expand and simplify it to get dy dx in terms of x. Okay, so you substitute, then you see whether you can get this answer in another class. The answer is 16, 2x plus 1. You do like last week, remember, ask you to simplify, to factorize one, 4x squared plus 4x. Wait, I need some space. X squared plus 4x plus 3. Okay, keep trying and see. We have plus, just a minute. Plus 3. So what you need to do is you substitute the p here. Just how I draw the arrow from here. You substitute the p here. Okay, keep trying. Of course, you have to expand this, the big bracket one first, okay? Okay, keep trying and see. If done, let me know, or need help, you let me know, okay? Okay, good, can get, Then Sim can get, okay, good. If you couldn't get, you let me know. If you have done, you can proceed to the other questions while waiting for those that not yet. Judge, you need help, Judge? Okay, that class. I'm going to explain, or if you want to keep trying, up to you, because the student asked me this one, can't get. Judge, can you step your answer to send to my WhatsApp? I check your mistake. I want to see the mistake that you have done. You send to my WhatsApp first, yeah? I'll see what happened. Maybe sometimes you're careless, then from there I explain to you. Okay, so George. Oh, you no need to expand this one. Here 2x plus 1 only. Why you go and expand? No need. Okay, see, your mistake is 16. This one remain the same. You see, I didn't change anything from here. I just expand this part. Expand, okay? You know how to expand already, right? So the formula, you follow this formula. That is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, your mistake is you go and expand like that. Wrong, George. You can't do it like this. You go and expand 2x squared, that is 4x squared, plus 1. How can you do the 2 only? What about the middle part? Yeah, the mistake that I have done is the middle part you didn't expand. You got what I mean? Yeah, so from what I check your solution. Now, so class, you can do like George sent to my WhatsApp for me to check the mistake. Now you do like this, see George? A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So you put a, b, b. Your mistake is you forgot this part, that you have 4x squared, 2 to 4, 4 times 1, 4, 1. Now, you left out this part, okay? Yes, careless, huh? Okay. So, 4x, see, plus 1 and plus 2. Plus 1 and plus 2, then you get plus 3. Then done. See that? Done. Okay, got it? Yeah. Okay, what about the rest of you? Is it okay for question 23? Yeah, must read carefully when a question mentioned in the terms of what. Okay, done. So is it okay for me to go to the other questions, or any of you still want to copy? If yes, let me know still. Okay, so I continue, yeah? Okay, now look at question 24. Okay, find the values of x. Then you follow this method. 21. So remember the way of 21. So for question 24, I'm not going to wait for you to do here. You refer. Okay, how you do? This one I leave as homework for you lah. As what I said, I'm not going to ask you to do every questions here. So for this, class. 24, okay, 24, you refer. This is UV method, UV method. So from now onwards, I mean from yesterday, Wednesday onwards, the homework that I asked you to do, I'm not going to show you all the working because I want you to try. Yeah, I just send the answers. If you couldn't get, then you let me know. Only I teach you how to do, okay? This is UV method. Copy left, differentiate right. Plus, copy right, differentiate left. After that, you follow this one. You follow question 21. Well, you are given equal to 0, see? So you copy the dy dx equal to 0, you find the values of x, okay? So class, write down. I'm not going to send this anymore. You write down as homework. I just give you the answer, yeah? So the answer, because values of x, the answer is, copy down first, I'm not going to wait for you to do here. 1/2, -3, and -1. You work out, you try, unless you can't get, then only I send the whole working for you all to see, to refer. But if you still can't understand my working, means coming class, you will let me know. I'll explain in the class together, yeah? Okay? So mark down question 24, yeah? Homework. And also question 25. 25, see, in terms of u. Here you do dy du, dy du. dx du given. Okay, so remember to get dy dx? You do like just now. Question 23, question 22, you refer that. So mark down question 25 as homework also. And I write the answer to show you, copy down the answer. So for 25A, the answer is 2u minus 3 square per 2u. And for B, sorry. This is B. I'm sorry. Wait, A is 6, 2u minus 3 square. This one is 2u minus 3 square per 2u. Okay, mark down question 24 and 25 as homework. Okay, now I continue 2.3. Okay, this one. This means, can you see, second time you differentiate. You differentiate the second time. What I have learned is dy dx, right? Yeah, dy dx means, if like that means the second derivative. Second derivative, or we read as d square y over dx square. D square y over dx square. If given like that, we read as this one. Okay, this one is remember the first time we see the f prime, right? F prime x, right? So this one we call it second derivative. Okay, or double prime. F double prime x. Okay, so like class. Now look at this. Means you just need to differentiate the second time we do. Okay, listen to me, yeah? So okay, now you all can follow the rest of you? So far can follow until before I start the 2.3? Yes, okay. Nancy? Yes, okay, good. What about you, Sadhana? Is it okay until here? Yeah, okay, like now, all of you look at 2.3. Same thing, 2.3. I'm not going to ask you to do everything here because you got a basic of how to differentiate already. It's just that you need to differentiate the second time. Okay, CA. When you are given y is 4x minus 3. First derivative, dy dx. Then you get 4. Okay, from the 4, we do the second derivative. Differentiate the second time. Just a number, so it's 0. Okay or not? Okay, one more, let's say B. At first derivative, 2x plus 6. Second derivative, d squared y over dx squared. Then we differentiate another time, that is 2. Got it? Can you send the second time already? Okay, I let you try a few questions here because this is just to start the second derivative. Then later, any that related, maybe I let you try next time. Okay, you have a try C and D first. C, D. To check the CD whether you can get this answer. If you couldn't get, then only explain. 11 minus 4x for the first one. Second one is -4. And for D, yeah, after you get dy dx, you differentiate again. Yeah, okay, have a try these two and see. Done, let me know, Oh, George, you have done, okay. So fast, can get right. Okay, good. So while waiting for them, we can try E, F, and C, since you have done C, D. Okay, and Sim, done, okay, good. Keep doing. Okay. Yeah, all done, yeah. What about you, Sadhana? CD done or not? Because we all done already. What about you? Done or still for CD? Done, can get, okay. I keep trying question E and F. Same, I'll write the answer here. Don't forget, this one. This one, you bring it up. 2x negative 1 and 3x negative 2. Then later on, only you put it back. And this is U per V method. U per V means copy bottom, differentiate top. Minus copy top, differentiate bottom, and square the bottom, yeah? Okay, so E and F also I write the answer to show you. Okay, keep trying this too. Which one? F. F, huh? Okay, like George, I explain to you F. Okay, we have got students that need help for F. Any of you need help for E before I go to F? Okay, like listen to me. Can get, okay, so Sadhana, you wait for me, F, the second one, Okay, now George. I think you forget to, can you send your same thing? Send to my WhatsApp, I check for you what is the mistake that you have done. Sadhana, you have done, and the rest that can get, wait for me for a while, Okay, Sadhana, you may. Okay, like, okay, George, I can see a mistake already. You forget to simplify. Okay, George, means you can get this right. From what I see from your WhatsApp, my WhatsApp that you sent, okay, this part. You have done until this part, George. 3x minus 2 power 4. Yeah, the mistake, you can't leave an answer like that, George. You can see 3x minus 2, same. Here with the power 1, right? Okay, here with the power 1. Oh, okay, my mistake. Sorry. I should write power 3 here. No wonder, yeah, okay. Yes, you're right. Here, power 3. Because it's simplified once already, right? You got power 3. Sorry about that. My mistake is not yours, I write wrongly. Should be power 3. Yes, your answer is correct, yeah? Okay. So Dana, next. Okay, the rest of you should be okay, right? So mark down question 2, question 3 also. I'm not going to wait for you to do here because it's the same. It's the same as question 1. Okay, same as question 1. You're asked to find the second derivative. Okay, I think I do the first one for you. Then the rest I want you to try. Okay, 2a is like that. See 2a, fx. The way to write is just the difference is the way to write. Okay, so first derivative f prime. 4 steps. Remember 4 steps? Bring down the power. Copy the bracket. Power minus 1. Differentiate the bracket. Okay, so I got 6, 7, 42, negative 42. And then come to the second derivative, f double prime. Bring down the power, negative 42 times 5. Negative 42 times 5, I get negative 210. Bring down the power, copy the bracket, power minus 1, differentiate the bracket. So negative, positive, 210 times 7. Okay, next come to f double prime 1. And just substitute the x with 1. 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7 means negative 1. Negative with the power even, you get positive, right? So the answer is 1470. Okay, got it? Yes, Okay, class, the same thing. Copy down my solution. And question 2b until F. And question 3 also, I leave it to you. Okay, I'm not going to copy the answer here, because I want to continue. I'll send the answer later, so that you don't need to waste time just to copy the answer, okay? I'll send it. If I forgot to send, you let me know, So question, wait, let me check and see. 2.3. 2.3. Question 2. B until ever. And question 3. Try as homework. Should be okay, right? Because just need to do like this one also, right? You do ds dt, then d square s over dt square. Follow everything, yeah? Okay, done with that? Still copying, or can I go question 4 now? Question 4 done? Sorry, I mean copying done? Okay, now listen to me, question 4. All done, yeah? Okay. Question 4, what is the difference? Yeah, same thing, you see? You're given y. Express and simplify this in terms of x. Okay, you can see the second derivative and first derivative here. But you're asked to express in terms of x. Okay, see how I do, class? Question 4, yeah? Okay, so can you see this one is UV method. But I think for this type of questions, if you do UV method, a bit complicated and wasting time, because this one easily for you to expand. Any that you feel easy to expand, then we no need to use UV method. Yeah, those that can expand, like power 2, yeah, like this, okay? Easier. So like class now, you see, to get dy dx first. Why I know I need to do dy dx? Because I need to substitute here. 6x minus 4. Okay, next, second derivative. 6. Okay, 6x, you get 6. Okay, so class now, you're given y. Then see this one? Yeah, copy this first, huh? D square y dx squared minus 3x dy dx plus 24. Okay, see why? Wait, sorry. Because you're asked to give in terms of x, right? So no more y. Yeah, no more y, right? Okay, if y, then I copy from here. Can you see my y here? So x, 3x minus 4. Later only I expand. You can copy this one also, it's up to you. Okay, see the second derivative. Second derivative, that is 6 here. 3x. Okay, dy dx then. Dy dx, 6x minus 4, there, plus 24. Okay, see that? Or I change the terms of x already. Okay, now you simplified it. Simplified it, see what you can get. 24 minus 12x, and so you copy this, you complete here first. Then still not yet finished, I still have to explain to you all. If you couldn't get 24 minus 12x, let me know. Okay, done, can get, okay, good, Judge. Okay, then same done, what about the rest of you? Okay, oh, almost, okay, wait for you for a while, That's all done, So now let me continue. So after you get this right, you see the questions. Hence, find the value of x which satisfy this equation. So class, you see here? Exactly the same for this part, right? Exactly the same. And the blue part that I highlighted with the blue one is this one, right? See? So it's this one. So means what you need to do is you just tell that given this one is 0 because you have simplified, okay, the blue part to get this. So just continue to say that given 24 minus 12x is 0. Okay, 0. So you just find the x. Okay, now 12 to 24, right? So x is 2. Okay, got it? Okay, you try one question and see. It is given that this UV method, or you can expand. This one, I think you expand will be easier. Find the values of x when dy dx is 0. Okay, so class, remember, any that when you, next time, I'll keep asking these questions. When dy dx is 0, is for you to find x. Not only dy dx is 0, sometimes question will say that dy dx is 1 or 2 or 3 or -1 or anything here. You know that it's for you to find x. After you find x already, that dy dx, you got the x already, you substitute to the second derivative to find the values. Got what I mean? Yeah, okay. At last, try question 5 and see. So I got you some, You try question 5 now. Yeah, okay, can get, yeah. Okay. What about the rest of you? Some have done. Any of you still? Okay, one more for me to explain. So all done, yeah, class? I explain one more, then you keep trying. And then after that, I give you a short break, yeah? Number 6 is like that. Number 6, okay, you find dy dx like, this one you expand also. Find dy dx, then d square y dx square, right? So you're asked to show. Show means you do like question, like question 4. So now, like question 4 means you show until you get what? This answer, meaning that you would copy this part. You do this part after you have done the first derivative and the second derivative, right? So you substitute the second derivative here and the first derivative and also the y here. And then you don't put equal to 0, because the question asks you to show. So you put equal, then you solve till the end, then you get the answer of 0. Means you can cancel everything. Cancel out everything, then only get 0. So means this is to prove that you have shown the answer. Can I say what I mean? Okay, so means you do this part. Or I leave this as homework for you because this one you know how to do already, right? So see whether you can get this equal to 0 to show. Okay? Can you understand, yeah? Okay, good. So have a short break first, yeah? Have a short break.